In this video I'm going to show you how to upload single shot images and how to update post location inside of posts. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to enter into this plumbing event. I'm going to hit this blue plus mark right here, and I'm going to select this icon, which is single shot image. So now I'm going to annotate this photo by tapping the image. I can draw out some text or crop it. I'm going to draw, make the brush size a little bit smaller. If I wanted to change the color, I could do that as well, but I like red, so I'm going to go with that. Then add some text. And I'm going to go ahead and save. Title. Next thing I'm going to do is tap the coordinate here to make sure that we have the correct location. Going to hit this to put it in satellite mode. And we are right here. And apply. Section, we're going to go miscellaneous example section. Put in a little description here. Looks good, so I'll hit finish. So let's go take a look at our post. Down in miscellaneous example section, here it is. So here's the photo. Then over here you can see we've got the title, date, time, coordinate, uploader here, description is here. If we want to add a comment, we could do that, or if we wanted to add media after, we could do that there. Alright, thank you for watching.